so it's Athaleyah Wolf and Pilot Wolf, and we are making a Minecraft video for the first time. So I'm going to start out with a bit of a tour, and then we are going to get on with it. And so I've actually heard a little bit of a complaint about people saying my name's too hard to pronounce. So a bit of today, I've been thinking about it, and I decided that you can call me Atha, you can call me Leia, you can call me Athaleyah, but you can call me whatever. And sorry if it's a bit laggy, I have a very low RAM on my computer, and look at all those turtles. But yeah, this is around the spawn point, you can see it. This is the spawn island, so I went over here, and you can see my boat. You can see a bit of a mistake built down there. I hope I can turn that into something in the future, but first I'll show you this. So Pilot is my little brother, by the way. He doesn't appear in very many videos at all. And so
I do appear in some.
So yeah, this is a very compact house. Now if we gets broken really easily, but yeah, this is my mother's house, so I used the bracket holding torch furnace built into the floor. I got a crafting table in the bedroom. It's supposed to be extremely compact. The walls don't even take a full block, but it's made out of light blue, yellow, and red wool. But if you go through here, there's a study, and for even more compactability, you can even close. Well, I broke it, but you could close it. And this house is going to so need like a huge repairs, and I keep on breaking it. This is the bedroom with a cyan bed, and I'm so sorry it's sticking like this. I'm going to pause and just close a lot of my other things, and then I'll be back in a second. So see you. So hi guys, I'm back, and with a slightly lower RAM, I've used that space. So probably the biggest thing I ever had patience to build in my world is that metro line. You can see how large it runs, but we're going to take the boat today just because of simplicity. So actually I'm going to show you one of my newest builds next. I'm so bad at starting boats, but it's faster than the metro. But it's harder. It's much easier to get lost on. And I'm going to have to return this at the end of the episode, but the end of the episode is not what we're going to do. So this used to be a ruin, like one of those old witch huts, you know? And I got so scared when I came here. The wolves were running around the island wildly, but they were like zombie wolves with red eyes. There was a witch on his head, and I was like, ah! Because I had really never played Minecraft before. So I turned on peaceful. I haven't turned it off peaceful since, so I will maybe. So Pilot would like to talk, yeah?
If you ever see a shipwreck in Minecraft, warning, I've been there before, not on peaceful. They are full of mobs.
You drown and stuff, right?
No, the mobs don't drown.
That's not what I meant. The drowned. It's a mob.
Yeah.
Okay, so that looks so interesting. I never saw that on the boats before. That's something in the new update, but yeah, so this is the doghouse. It's kind of meant to look like a doghouse, like based off of Stampy's doghouse. So I'm planning to convert this all to birch eventually, but for that thing later, I just okay, this Pilot wants to say something.
But Arya, you said we could go fishing today.
Well, maybe we'll end the day with that. So this had a chest in it on a dark oak, and it was very difficult to find. I had to break a lot of things for it, but it came with a bunch of coal, a torch, and fishing rod. Look at the sea too. And I guess I'll take this because that's what I promised my little brother. Because this is Bay, Shadow, Wolf, Hallie, and Lumos, and none of them have been with me on a trip, but I told myself I'd be taking Shadow with me, but I am going to get some pork chops for them. So, yep. So Shadow's following me today, and over here, just a bit of water and future little parkour area. But I have never brought a dog with me on the metro line. So
Don't worry about losing them. You can't lose a dog. It's impossible. They teleport.
Yeah, so I'm a bit worried about losing them, a bit worried about death, like things. So I don't think I'm gonna.
Okay, death you can worry.
So I don't think I'm going to bring them with me in an episode yet until I've tested it out. But there's Shadow. And I wish that episode role was so. Alright, I am going to get the patience up and build a big bridge for this. But, well, I forgot to show you my downstairs, but I guess I'll show you my upstairs. It stands in the house. Silent shulker box. I just love the shulker boxes. Just the way they spin once you close them. And that's coral and item
They
frames.
look kind of like the actual shulker in the nether.
Oh gosh, and then I just broke my enchanting table. But, oh, and most of you probably do know this, but if you get this, this is how you get levels in creative mode if you don't have the patience. No.
That is not how.
I'll fix that later. But, yeah.
There's your doggy. So look, throw the potion. Bam, 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 bam.
You can get lots of levels
and then
this way.
loads of XP fly out.
Even though you don't really have levels in creative mode, you can enchant.
Just throw something in there and enchant it.
Well, actually, I would need lapis, but
no, you don't need lapis.
I'm a bit busy. No, you do, Jeremiah. So this is more coral to make a bit of a headrest. So yeah, and there's Shadow right there, and that's my bed. But this one took me several days to build, and I'm planning to build Pilot similar, but Pilot will actually have some input in the episode, hopefully. Oh gosh, 7 minutes gone already. But here's this. A lot of this got struck by lightning. You can see some of the trees are broken down. So that's why I'm starting to transfer my stuff in the nether brick, even though I don't like the look of it. It's not flammable. Yeah, so I better sit down, Shadow. Oh gosh, where is Shadow?
Oh, he'll turn up eventually.
So I'm going to pause the video real quick. So I found Shadow again, and no. Yeah, so there's Shadow all sat down and ready to go because we need to go. I don't think it would be safe for Shadow. I know dogs can ride in Minecraft minecars, which is a bit of a comfort for me, but I don't want the dogs to. Why? I hate it when it does that. But I might bring some ender pearls with me just because I'm bad at ladders and I'm bad at a lot of things. But yeah, this is the metro, so that's Tiny Island Station 2. This is Station 2, and that's Station 1. This is Water Station 1. Okay, so that's Station 2, Station 1, Water 1, and then the coaster, my first bit of redstone, and my worst bit of redstone. So you just plug this down. Air station, I'm going to build a house here, so if you were wondering about the extreme practicality of not like putting those redstone coasters there, I'm thinking of actually having them go through here but this is fire station. This is actually, I'm kind of making it out to be a cheap station right now, but it's going to be one of the most majestic once I build that. But I might actually redo the house in the future. But that's for the future. And that's it. I got a jungle biome over there. Once I've built everything I plan to over here, I will be going over there and building one more building. Maybe getting an ocelot. So I've got some ruins under here. You can see I spawned lots of dolphins. There weren't very many in here naturally, and they've bred. And you don't float. That hasn't been loaded in yet. And so this world doesn't really function too well with my low RAM computer. So I know this is one of the worst eyesores in history, but if I did say with my brother I'd fish with Luck of the Sea, so maybe
we're gonna fish.
We'll fish a bit.
It's bobbing. It's bobbing. Oh. Try to cast out farther into the sea. Oh, wait, you were about to get something. Pull up. Just pull up. There. Oh, should I do it? Just cast it up into the sky?
Fine. Oh, wow. It takes that long to fall, and it doesn't even go anywhere.
Okay. Okay, well, just pull it up.
Yeah, so finally.
I'll just tell you that the Luck of the Sea, it is really cool. You don't get fish. You fish up blocks.
So we got these pressure plates for bit of security.
Show
the pigs
the dragon heads.
So yes, this was his choice completely. He made this all completely up by himself. Didn't know anything about this, which I built for him apparently for nothing. But as a lesson, I'm going to build this out of birchwood, probably because that's the only thing I have on me. And I'm going to get out my ladders.
There is a bunch of fire around here.
Yes.
I put it there. They won't ever burn out.
So yeah, you're going to have 3 minutes with my brother approximately. 3 minutes.
Stuck with me? Okay, so this is gonna be fun! Watching me design this room!
And you're gonna have to watch him design the room. Correct.
Okay.
And this is going to be patched up with birchwood for now.
I'm just gonna draw some.
So have fun. So you actually only have about 3 minutes. So go ahead.
Okay, so
But don't get rid of the Luck of the Sea.
Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of the sign because who needs signs? But I know what's gonna be up here. I need a furnace. This computer is so fast.
So
I need a furnace, crafting table, and that's really it. Furnace, crafting table.
sorry, Jeremy, there's no block called. That's really it.
Okay. So that's all. And this is so hard to control. Okay, now furnace is one. I'm gonna build.
We're playing on the PC.
Boom! Here are my furnaces.
So he's probably going to have to finish this later on. So yeah, you have about 30 seconds left to build.
Okay, now I'm just gonna see. Oh, that's how snowballs do. Oh, I'm just gonna throw some snowballs. Okay, no. I am going to this is going to be called the furnace room. Get me on furnace. Going to have one craft.
Oh, by the way, guys, we've been having problems with getting on third person because we've been hitting the F5 key like it says, but nothing happens. And I've also heard that F4 sometimes works and F3, but none of those work. So F6 is supposed to work, but nope.
Stop.
Yeah, so actually this is the end of the episode, so I hope you enjoyed it.